Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to divide a whole number by a decimal number. So let us do 20 divided by 0.5. Now our goal is to convert this divisor 0.5 into a whole number. For that we need to multiply it by 10. Since we have multiplied the divisor by 10, we will multiply the dividend 20 also by 10. So our problem will be 200 divided by 5. We haven't changed the problem. We just converted the problem so that our divisor will be a whole number. So 20 divided by 0.5 and 200 by 5 both are the same questions. Now let us perform a long division. So 200 divided by 5. 5 goes 4 times into 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Bring down this 0. 5 times 0 is 0. So our answer is 40. Now let us do the next question. 45 divided by 0.75. Now to convert 0.75 into a whole number, we need to multiply it by 100 because there are two decimal places. Since we have multiplied divisor by 100, we have to multiply dividend 45 also by 100. So our problem is 4500 divided by 75. Now let us perform the long division. 4500 divided by 75. Now 75 goes 6 times in 450 and 75 times 6 is 450. 450 minus 450 is 0. Let us bring down this 0. 75 times 0 is 0. So our answer is 16. Now let us do one more question. 356 divided by 1.8. 356 divided by 1.8. To convert 1.8 into a whole number, we need to multiply it by 10 because there is one decimal place. So let us multiply dividend also by 10. So our problem will be 3560 divided by 18. Now let us perform a long division. So 3560 divided by 18. Now 18 goes once into 35 and 18 times 1 is 18. 35 minus 18 is 17. Bring down this 6. So we have 176. Now 18 goes 9 times into 176 and 18 times 9 is 162. 176 minus 162 is 14. Bring down this 0. So we have 140. Now 18 goes 7 times into 140 and 18 times 7 is 126. So 140 minus 126 is 14. Now we don't have any number to bring down. So we can put 0 here, and since we have written 0 here, we will put a decimal point in our quotient. Now 18 goes 7 times into 140 and 18 times 7 is 126. 140 minus 126 is 14 once again, and since we have already written a decimal point in our quotient, we can write an extra 0 here. So So now once again we have 140. 18 goes 7 times in 140 and 18 times 7 is 126. Once again 140 minus 126 is 14. This will keep continue. So our answer up to 2 decimal place is 197.77. Hope this video will help you how to divide a whole number by a decimal number.